Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube subscriptions visible to the public. By default, YouTube hides the channels you subscribe to, but if you want others to see who you're following, like friends, fans, or collaborators, you can easily change that in your settings. Let's get started. Step 1, go to YouTube settings. On YouTube, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, scroll down and click Settings with a gear icon. Step 2, adjust your privacy settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy. Find the option Keep all my subscriptions private. If the switch is blue, it means your subscriptions are private. Click it once to turn it black. This makes your subscriptions public. That's it, folks. A simple tweak, and now your subscriptions are public. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.